This is hot tea. It's hot, completely hot tea. And this is edible cup. Yeah, it's 1 minute completed. Tea is very hot. Two minutes completed. This is 90 ml cup and a wafer cup. This is the hot tea inside the glass. Finally, 3 minutes also completed. This video will prove that edible cup in the society definitely changes everything. Completely hot tea and very close to the 4 minutes. Generally people complete the tea within 1 or 2 minutes, but here in the glass itself tea store for more than 4 minutes. But still I'll be continuing the video, and this is the testing time for the glass to prove generally you know say hot tea. We are very close to 6 minutes and there is no issue with any leakage or any melting. This really, good innovative. Finally it completes 6 minutes 16 seconds, but still, the smell and the heatness still is, as per my opinion, this will be, this will really boom in the market very soon. Now we are going to head to complete 7 minutes. Very close to 8 minutes. There is no damage, nothing. Really cup edible glass is proving today. Now we are close to 9 minutes. Still there is no issue. Really, to prove everyone, edible glass can control hot tea more than 9 minutes. It's a live video going on and I am continuously taking sorry, I was just checking it's hot or cold, but still a video is very close to the 10 minutes and there is no leakage or no damage, so I am happy to say that this glass with tea, no melting, it's not leaking, and it completed successfully at 10 minutes. It's a very good sign for all tea vendors, especially adding or putting a hot liquid item. I am continuing more 5 minutes. Why? Because I want to prove everyone that this edible cup can store hot item hot liquid atom more than 15 minutes. So this really proves that edible cup rocks, and very soon plastic and paper cup will be banned. This will be very friendly to environment, especially to human as well as for animals also, as per my knowledge. Why? Because generally we have seen plastic or paper cup are really against the environment, and the cup we can drink, we can eat, and we are close to 12 minutes successfully. We are very close to 12 minutes. Generally I say people take 2 minutes or more than 4 minutes to have a tea, but here hot tea which was inside the glass for more than 12 minutes. So I request all the dealers or owners or vendors who are interested in purchasing this 2.5 width thickness, I can say. So you can easily purchase this machine for manufacturing and to make India free with plastic and paper. We are very close to you, 13 minutes, but there is no leakage. I will be continuing for more 2 minutes. Why? Because I want to make this success, and this has to be share everywhere. And especially thanks to SSB industry machine that from which this is manufactured, and the hot tea still there is no leakage. You can see the video completely without any disturbance or without any cutting. I am covering every 4 sides to prove that there is no issue with this video or with the glass. I am happy to see that it is crossing more than 14 minutes and 14 seconds. So I will be continuing this video till 15 minutes, but I can say that this is the proof. Cup is still surviving with the hot tea, and there is no leakage, and very close to 15 minutes. I am really happy to say that 15 minutes completed, but there is no leakage, and this is a good sign for the wafer cup in upcoming days, and it will definitely prove that wafer is the best material. And thanks to again SSB industry machine. This is the live video. I am continuously saying that it is completed 15 minutes also. Generally company is saying that it will store minimum 20 to 25 minutes, but I completed 15 minutes, but still the hot tea still existing in the edible cup. So really a glad moment, and it is a successful, I say. I'll share this video to everyone, to my friends, my family, and everyone, to know that please stop using plastic paper cup. And we are very close to the 17 minute. So here I think I should stop. Why? Because it's 17 minutes. Whatever information shared by the SSB industry owner, that was correct, that this edible cup will store minimum 20 to 25 minutes. So now I am in 17 minutes. See, there is a no leakage. I'm completed 17 minutes, but still there is a no leakage, and I'm carrying. And I think we should purchase edible cup, and it is a good sign. I'll stop this video now. It is 17 for 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Myself Manoj. Thank you. And I request, this is very close to 18 minutes. I request everyone to purchase edible cup and stop purchasing paper and plastic cup. This is a really a good sign, and this will prove in a coming moment, and this is a starting age for the cup. In coming days, definitely it will prove the greatness and about the cup. Thank you guys. Thank you very